Hi everyone, welcome to Cypress tutorials. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about headless mode in Cypress. Headless mode means running Cypress test without opening the browser UI. This is very useful when running test on CI/CD pipelines or when you want faster test execution. So let's begin. Right click on E2E and then click on new file. Enter the file name headless and then dot sci dot js. Now enter here reference types. Reference types is equal to Cypress describe headless mode and then callback function inside write the test case. It headless mode test case execution callback function. First, we need to navigate to the URL, copy this complete URL, open VS Code, and then enter the base URL here. First, enter base URL here, and then enter this path here. Sci.visit for navigate to the URL. First, navigate to the URL and then click on this services link. Sci dot contains services dot click. Few are the benefits of headless mode. Fast test executions. Since there are no browser UI, test run faster in headless mode. Headless mode is perfect for automation pipelines like Jenkins, GitHub Actions. Less resource usage. It uses less CPU and memory because it does not need to render the UI. Now I will show you how you can run the test in headless mode. For running the test in headless mode, you need to enter the command npx cypress run. If you enter the command npx cypress open, then the test will be execution in the GUI mode. Suppose you want to run the test in headless mode, so you need to enter the command npx cypress run and then enter. Now the test will be running in the headless mode. In this scenario, we have defined first save this test file cypress.config.js. This is our headless.sci.js file. This is the warning. You can ignore these warnings. In this scenario, first it will navigate to the URL. As you can view here, we define the base URL and then enter the path here. In this scenario, you can view headless mode. This is the file name and this is the browser Electron Cypress version. Now running the test in headless mode. As you can view, test has been successfully executed. In this project, total 2 tests, so all the test cases executed. We can run only the specified test. Suppose you want to only run this test headless mode. We define in the cypress.config.js retry, so it will attempt if the test case failed. Suppose you want to run only the headless test case. This is the test 1 passing and failing count 0, pending 0, skip 0. This test case failed because we enter here element nodes. Now, I will show you how you can run the specific test. Suppose you want to run only this test case. npx cypress run and then enter the path here. Right click on test file and copy relative path and paste path here. Now, only this test case will be executed. Test is running. This is the time of execution. And here you can view run finished. Test is running. This is the Cypress version, browser Electron 130, and this is the spec running headless. Now one thing need to be noticed, only one test case execute. As you can view headless.sci.js running on the headless mode. The duration 7 seconds. Video is not capturing, so here false. One test case and passing one test case. This is the duration 7 seconds. Second test case also executed. We need to change the command here. npx cypress run -- spec and then enter the path. Let's again run the test. Here we define run the cypress in headless mode and then enter the path. Now test again running. If you want to run the specific test, so you can enter the command npx cypress run spec and then enter the path. Running spec 1 found headless.sci.js, and this is the browser in which the test is running. 1 of 1. Now test is running 1 passing 9 second headless mode test execution. Scroll down and here you can view the duration 8 second. Video false spec run headless dot side.js finish and passing. Same as well, you can run the test on different browsers by enter command npx cypress. You do not need to enter the command. We just click on arrow key and then enter the browser name, browser Chrome. Now the test will be running in Chrome browser. As you can view in previous browser is Electron. Now again run the test. Test is running. Here you can view the duration of the test, total number of tests, one test. We have total one test and this test is successfully passed. No failing, no pending, and no skipped. Test is running. After test execution, we can view the browser name. Browser is Chrome 137. Headless. In previous test, you can view the browser is Electron. Now running the test in headless mode. This is the file name headless.sci.js. If you want to run the test on Firefox, you just need to enter the command Firefox. That's all about the headless mode in Cypress. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK World for more QA content. See you in the next video.